Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do something a little different. A beer review, but not just any beer review. A beer review from a fellow YouTuber named 2TEN90. Link is down below. This is going to be awesome. Now this brew is a 7.2% alcohol, and it is again by 2TEN90 out of Baltimore, Maryland. Again, link down below for his YouTube channel. Now, I did meet this gentleman at the Baltimore meetup. Fantastic guy. Go check him out. There's a Baltimore collaboration meetup video that he did. Excellent job. Now, there is one thing that I do see about this. It is an IPA. Now, as you guys know, I'm not a very big fan of IPA, but I'm going to give this a shot. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. Smells hoppy, not overly hoppy like some IPAs are. Let's go ahead and give this thing a pour. Ah, look at that. Now it is a hazy IPA, hence the Haze is for horses. So it does live up to that name. It is hazy. It has a slight sweetness to it. It does have a slight head on it. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. It is an IPA. It does have that hops taste, but it kind of disappears as it goes to the back of the throat. So that is really good. Again, Haze is for horses from 2TEN90. Now, I do taste a very slight orangey type of aftertaste, which is very good. Yeah, again, that hoppiness does quickly go away. I like this. For an IPA, this is very, very good. So, 2TEN90, you did a great job. For a hazy IPA, again, go check them out. If you're in the Baltimore area, see if you can get some of this. This is actually really, really good. So, I hope you like this really quick beer review for 2TEN90 Brewing out of Baltimore, Maryland. And as always, have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell while you're at it.